Welcome to MVL Leasing. We have been serving the Greater Toronto Area for over 30 years by providing the world's finest and most sought-after vehicles. We can lease any make of any year and any model. We specialize in high-end and exotic cars and always have a fabulous assortment to choose from. If you are in the market for another vehicle, please do not hesitate to visit us online at mvl.ca or in person at our new 48,000 square foot facility located in Southeast Oakville. Our knowledgeable and experienced staff are here to assist you in choosing the right car for you or your business. Happy motoring, and we hope to hear from you.